Hello everyone, myself Mr. Valmik Tanpur. I am preparing video for the exercise 22B. Now see, here we will see in previous lecture we have seen some questions. Now we will see the next question in this lecture. See now, here we will see the question number 4. Okay, the question number 4 is depend on the pie chart. Here we have to given that the following table shows the market position of the different brands of the tea leaves. Now here you have to given the brands A, B, C, D and other. Okay, here A, B, answer I am writing here A, B, C, D and others. So the brands you have to given. Brand is here and buyer is given. So buyer percentage is given. So 35 A for 35 20 20 15 20 20 15 and for the others it is 10, and we have to prepare here the pie chart, or you can say the circle graph and pie chart is both are the same. Now see, for that purpose we have to find the central angle. Okay, now here we can write, or you can solve the question like that: name of brand. Okay, name of brand. Then here we will write the percentage buyer and then central angle. Now see, these are the A, B, C, D and other. So these are the 35 20 20, this is 15, and for others it is 10. Now we have to find the center angle. How to find the center angle? To find out the center angle, we have to take this total first. This total will be, count this total. So this total will be the 0, then carry, it will be the 10, so 100. Then central angle, how to find? So for A, which will be the 35, how much? 35 upon total, what we have to take at the denominator, which will be the 100, multiply by 360 degree. Do these calculations. Okay, 0 cancel, then 5 2 the 5 7 the 1 the, and it will be the 18. So 18 7 the 126. So this angle will be the 126 degree. Like that you have to do the calculation. Now for the second one, 20 upon 100 multiply by 360. Then after doing the calculation, it will be the 72 degree. Then same 20 upon 100 multiply by 360, it will be the same because both the numbers are same, so it will be the 72 degree. Then this is for the 15 upon 100 multiply by 360, so it will be near about 54 degree. Okay, now and one is remain. Okay, so which is 10 upon 100 multiply by 360, 0 0 0 0 cancel, so which will be the 36 degree. Okay, then you have to take the total here also. Okay, here also you have to take the total. This total must be the 360 degree. Okay, then you can draw for that table also. See now, like that. And at the last we have to draw the circle. Draw the one proper circle. Draw the one proper circle with the help of rounder. With the help of rounder. Then from the center we have to draw like these angles. First 126 degree. Okay, you have to measure this angle with the help of D or compass. So which accurate must be the 126 degree. Then next one, the second angle should be the 72 degree. Then another one also should be the 72 degree. The next one, and another one is remain 54 degree. Then this is 54 degree, and the last one should be 36 degree. Then here you also give the labeling also, whatever labelings are there. So A, B, C, D, others, and you can color it nicely. Okay, like way you can color it nicely. Now after that we will see the another one question. Question number 6 we will see. Okay, the question 6. Question number 6. So here in the question number 6 we have to give one. There are the some students of the small school are in for the following table you have to draw the bar graph. You have to given the one table. Okay, and table is given like that: A, B, C, D, E, F. 400, 350, 200, 380. Sorry, A will be the 230, so it will be the A, then B, this is C, this one is the D, this one is the E, and this is F. And for F, which is 160. Now we have to take the proper scale. First we have to draw we are going to draw on the graph paper. What we are drawing? This is y-axis. Then vertical is the y-axis, horizontal is the x-axis. We have to draw this with the help of scale and pencil. Better way, we have to draw it with the help of scale and pencil. So which will be the x-axis? 0 will be there. Then you can take the proper scale. I am taking the scale of 50. I have already taught to you how to take the scale. Okay, you have studied it in the class 5th, 6th, 7th, how to take the scale. So 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450. Then for A, which is how much? So here I have taken the scale as a 1 centimeter. So here I have to show the first 230. Okay, 230 means this is 200 and this is 250. So one line above from the middle. Okay, one line above from the middle one. So it will be the 230. It is for A. Then B, it is clearly, you can clearly show it, which will be the 400. So the second one, for the second one it is 400 B. Then third one 350. 350 also you can clearly show. This is how much? This is 350. Then another one, next for the next D, which is 200. then 380, 350, 400. Okay, so here 480 we have to show. So 400 and 450, sorry, 380 we have to show. 380, so 350 and 400, one line above the middle of that 400 and 350. So at the middle 375. Okay, 350, 400. So at the middle 375. So above, above that one line, above to that one line. Okay, so here how much it will be? 380. So A, B, C, this is for D, this is for E. Then we have to show for the F, 160, 151. Okay, two lines above the 150. Not here. Two lines above the 150. So which will be the 160. This is for F. This is for F. So like that you have to draw the bar graph for the question number 6. Now here you have to write the scale also. To write the scale it is very important. It carries the 1 mark. Now scale on Y axis. 1 centimeter is equal to 50. Okay, 1 centimeter is equal to 50. Whatever is there, 50 students, 50 rupees, 50 paise, and nothing is there. So at that time you can write the 50 unit. At that time you can write the 50 unit. Got it now? Now same here we are going to solve the another one question. Okay, another one question we are going to solve. Question number, see, we will solve the question number 8. Answer. So here for the question 8, for the data given above in the question number 7, draw the suitable pie graph. We have to draw here the suitable pie graph. So here I am making the first central angle. I am finding first central angle. Now here you have to given the subjects. Okay, in that question, subjects and mass. The subjects are there. Okay, Hindi, English, maths, science, social science, and which will be the 60, 45, 42, 48, 75. Okay, then here first we have to find the, we will take the total. So total for it, how much? Take the total, 60 plus 45 plus 42 plus 48 plus 75, which will be the how much? Take this, which will be the 0, then carry 7, 2, so 270. Then find out the central angle. Now central angle for Hindi, first one, which is for the Hindi. So for Hindi how much? 60 upon 270 multiplied by 360. So to do the calculations, after doing the calculations, which will be the 80. Got it now how it is come? So see now, this will get cancelled. So 9 3s are 9 4s are 3 1s are 3 1s are 3 20s are 24s are 80. 24s are 80. Got it now? Like that you have to find. Then next subject, second, English. How much for the English? 45 upon Okay, 45 upon 270 multiplied by 360. So which will be the 60 degree after doing the calculation? Third one, maths. For maths, which will be 42 upon 270 multiplied by 360. So which will be 45 degree. Then fourth one, next, science. For science, 48 upon 270 multiplied by 360. Do the calculations. You can pause the video and do the calculations. Then last one, fifth one, which will be the SST. For SST, which is 75 upon 270 multiplied by 360. Now, so which is 100 degree. Now take a total. Okay, when you have taken the total, so which will be the 360 degree exactly. So then what you have to do? You have to draw the one. You have to draw the one circle, and then in that circle you have to draw the angles like that. You can use the protractor. Okay, you can see my another video how to draw the angles. How to draw the angles. For that you can see my another videos. So like that angles you have to draw inside the circle. So it will be your pie chart. Got it now?